Alvarez Technology Group is excited to offer you a new way to get quick and efficient IT support directly within Microsoft Teams. This integration transforms the support process, making it simpler and faster to get the help you need, right when you need it. You'll be empowered to connect with our support team effortlessly and stay informed every step of the way. With our new experience, requesting support is a breeze. You can easily connect with our team and stay updated on your requests. Let me show you how it works. From Microsoft Teams, when you click on the iTeam app, you will be presented with your support home screen. Asking for support from here is easy. Start by clicking on New Request. From here, you will be prompted to enter in the details of your request. Let us know what we can help with. When you're finished, hit Send to submit. After you submit your request, you will receive a thread number, and a technician will be assigned to assist you shortly. In the meantime, feel free to provide any additional details or attach a screenshot. You will be notified as soon as a technician is assigned, and the status bar will update. You can continue chatting with them right from here. If you leave the support screen, no problem. The iTeam appbot will notify you in a direct chat when there's an update to your request. The Alvarez Technology Group app in Microsoft Teams is the most efficient way for you to get speedy resolution for your IT support needs. Try it out today. Thank you from your partners at Alvarez Technology Group.